Hey there, so it's tool review time. Been wanting a Milwaukee Impact and Ratchet for a while. They're kind of pricey and I've been relying on Ryobi, but it was time. Came across the combo on Amazon through Tools and More, and I pulled the trigger, I think at $329 for the combo kit. Quick review here. Upon unboxing, here's the box. See nothing damaged on the box. However, the tool bag that came with it is ripped on one end. Can't deal with Amazon on that. You have to go through Milwaukee. So based on the challenges of going through Milwaukee for a tool bag, I'm like, hey, no problem. I'll just deal with that. However, a couple other things that you just need to know. Got the tools, put them in the rack here, hooked up the battery charger, and looks like I ran into another issue. So if you look at the battery for the Ratchet, it's red and charging, no problem. However, the battery for the Impact, which is, Milwaukee batteries are no joke, they're pricey. Upon installing the brand new battery into the brand new charger, before I can use it in my brand new Ratchet, I've got this red and green flashing light, which according to the info on the charger means it's a bad battery. So, a little disappointed there, and might just have to keep relying on the good old Ryobis.